Tesla's Optimus robot, already renowned for performing useful tasks, is set to receive a series of new upgrades. This suggests that the Tesla bot will lead the race in the robotics industry with its latest capabilities. From factories to homes, Optimus Gen 3 is expected to elevate humanoid robots to unprecedented heights, integrating over 1,000 new tasks. Both Elon Musk and Milan Kovac, the lead engineer of the Optimus project, have hinted at groundbreaking updates, raising expectations for what Tesla's humanoid robot can achieve. The year 2025 will mark a time when Optimus accomplishes tasks we could never have imagined, things previously seen only in science fiction. Moreover, with Tesla set to begin mass production of thousands of Optimus units next year, the media will once again be abuzz with this humanoid robot. So, what additional tasks will Optimus perform, and what updates are in the pipeline? Welcome to evtech. In addition to its current tasks, such as watering plants, tidying up the kitchen, and retrieving items from the trunk, Optimus is ultimately set to become a comprehensive household assistant. Imagine a robot that not only cleans but also cooks, mows the lawn, teaches children, and even handles all your household chores. Yes, everything. With upgraded AI and 22 degrees of freedom waterproof hands, Optimus could excel at washing dishes, making coffee, or preparing a variety of meals. Tesla plans to integrate advanced security features into Optimus. Equipped with facial recognition, motion detection, and seamless integration with Tesla's existing ecosystem, the robot can serve as a home guardian. It could patrol the house, identify potential threats, or detect strangers attempting to break in. With 8 2D cameras and precise sensor systems, akin to Tesla EV's self-driving software, Optimus is fully equipped for surveillance in commercial spaces, ensuring safety in factories, offices, and warehouses. From the outset, Elon Musk shared that Optimus could be particularly beneficial for the elderly and children, thanks to its expanding range of utilities. As we know, Optimus can answer questions quickly with its super-intelligent AI brain, which Musk once confirmed as the most advanced robotic brain in the world. This makes it perfectly suited to assist seniors in using smart devices at home and to serve as a home tutor for children, supporting their education effectively. According to Elon Musk, Optimus will feature faster movement speeds and improved adaptability to steep and challenging terrains, ranging from slippery surfaces to difficult slopes. Tesla has optimized the robot's locomotion to ensure more natural and balanced movement across diverse terrains. With dexterity and the ability to maintain stability in various environments, it is anticipated that Optimus will undergo trial deployment in hospitals by 2025. In this setting, it could assist patients with mobility, remind them to take medication on time, and monitor vital signs such as heart rate and blood pressure. Optimus has already made headlines as a bartender and performer at Tesla events. By 2025, it could be fully integrated into the entertainment and hospitality industries. Imagine robots welcoming hotel guests, providing room service, or even acting as personal tour guides at resorts and amusement parks. Its ability to interact with people in a friendly and engaging manner makes it a natural fit for customer-facing roles. Factories and warehouses will remain key domains for Optimus, but upgrades could expand its utility to even more demanding tasks. With the ability to lift 11 kilograms and navigate varied terrains, Optimus could be deployed in construction, component assembly, or inventory management. Its capacity to climb stairs and traverse slopes ensures seamless functionality in multi-level industrial settings. One of the most intriguing speculations revolves around Optimus's agility enhancements. With real-time ball-catching capabilities, Tesla may explore roles for the robot in sports and entertainment. Optimus could serve as a training partner for athletes. Sounds reasonable, right? According to Elon Musk, Tesla is aiming for a new, lighter design for Optimus that maintains necessary durability while reducing energy consumption during operation. This effort aligns with improvements in the manufacturing process to enhance scalability, reduce costs, and bring Optimus closer to families and businesses worldwide. As Musk noted on X, Optimus is already doing some tasks in the factory, and the scope of its ability is increasing rapidly. The toughest part by far is improving the design of Optimus for ease of manufacturing and tooling up a complex supply chain so it can be made in significant numbers. Milan Kovac, the lead engineer of the Optimus project, emphasized on X that key priorities include making Optimus's gait look more natural on such rough terrain, making it more responsive to velocity direction commands, and learning how to fall to minimize damage when unavoidable and stand back up. The anticipated upgrades in 2025 position Optimus Gen 3 as a transformative force across industries. With Tesla's commitment to innovation, these humanoid robots will not only serve as tools but also evolve into companions, colleagues, and guardians. The future is here, and it's more robotic than ever.
In the recent third-quarter earnings call, when discussing the Tesla semi-truck, Elon described the demand for the Semi as ridiculous. It's ridiculous because the operating costs of this big rig are so low that it would practically be foolish for companies not to use it. In addition, there's an insane feature in development that'll get Semi customers very excited. Tesla also announced plans to sell the Semi to external customers soon, and more of these big rigs are being spotted. Here's what you need to know about the Semi. So as far as we know, the Tesla semi-trucks are primarily used internally by Tesla to ship around 20,000 battery packs a day out of the Nevada Gigafactory to support vehicle production in Fremont. Some are getting delivered to Pepsi as part of an order of around 100, which Tesla may have already delivered to the company. Now, you might not know this, but a 500-mile semi is confirmed to weigh 23,000, while the 300-miler is 20,000 pounds. Real-world range has been demoed at 400 to 500 miles with a North American payload of 82,000 pounds with a 23,000-pound tractor and a 12,000-pound trailer with the 47,000-pound payload. Of course, this is just testing the gauge for best performance. On delivery trips, the Semi's total payload will rarely reach its max to protect the vehicle and make it easier for drivers to operate. Now, you might think that the Tesla Semi is only targeting heavy freight transport companies because they'd be ordering large quantities of trucks, thus giving more profit for Tesla. While this is true, you may not know that the Semi will soon be available for external customers as confirmed earlier.
In parallel, as we showed in the shareholders deck, we have started construction on the factory in Reno. Our first vehicles are planned for late 2025 with external customers starting in 2026.
Recently, Elon said that the new Tesla Semi factory is being expedited, and we can see many areas gradually getting finished with the first finished exterior corners. This factory is expected to produce the first semis by the end of next year, starting before deliveries to outside customers in early 2026. The Semi is going to get made at a very high volume, 50,000 units a year, and we're pretty sure that the new factory is entirely feasible to hit this number. In the last 3 months of this year, the number of semis still being produced for delivery to other customers, but we know that the companies have made reservations at $5,000 a reservation. And here's the list of companies and the number of semis that have been reserved. In the recent meeting, Tesla also frankly confirmed that the number of semis produced so far is 200 units. All Tesla Semi vehicles are equipped with the necessary equipment for FSD. Henrik Zane's Giga Nevada semi-production update videos have shown the number of new semis going up every week, and if the facility continues to ramp up, it'll be making about 1,000 semis by December. Now, if we say that the Tesla Semi could help save tens of thousands of dollars each year thanks to FSD, it might be too early, but ultimately, this is the truth. Companies will not be under pressure due to a shortage of truck drivers, and self-driving technology will help reduce dependence on drivers, especially on long hauls. This lowers labor costs, saves on personnel expenses, and increases the driver's rest time. Drivers can still supervise while the self-driving system operates, helping reduce their workload and stress and minimizing the risk of accidents. Musk noted that the FSD will be a significant step forward in the safety for trucks. Yeah, now imagine seeing a Tesla Semi with no driver inside. Driving on the road, it sounds pretty eerie, right? But this is exactly what Tesla's aiming for. This is extremely important because at least FSD can help drivers after sleepless journeys, which can be a major cause of truck accidents.
What do you think about a Tesla Powerwatch that might soon be launched? Clearly, a product like this would be incredibly feasible for a company like Tesla, which already manufactures electronic screens as large as 18 inches, like those in the Cybertruck. Back in 2022, when Elon Musk was asked about plans to produce a product similar to the Apple Watch for Tesla, the company's CEO didn't hesitate to announce, "Tesla Power Watch available in 3 years." This statement immediately sparked widespread discussion. Some speculated that Tesla could become an Apple killer. while others argued that the company should stick to focusing on electric vehicles. The truth is, Elon Musk has always aimed to position Tesla as a tech company rather than merely an EV automaker. Tesla already has a few electronic products, so the Tesla Power Watch might indeed launch this year, as some promising signs have started to appear. In today's episode, we'll provide the most detailed description of the Tesla Power Watch possible. When it comes to the Tesla Power Watch, we believe it will gain widespread support because Tesla currently lacks a proprietary smart device to connect seamlessly with its products. Previously, Elon Musk stated that Tesla would consider producing a Tesla phone only if the company deemed it necessary. Specifically, when Android or Apple services no longer aligned with Tesla's ecosystem. With the Optimus robot set to launch later this year, Tesla might unveil the Power Watch to act as a dedicated device for connecting with the humanoid robot. This could enhance the robot's security, as it is an AI-driven product requiring strict control. Of course, customers could also purchase the Tesla Power Watch for general purposes, much like an Apple Watch. However, if you own a Tesla EV, the Optimus robot, or other Tesla products, an in-house electronic device would allow for better integration. This is why the Power Watch is increasingly seen as a necessary addition and one that could realistically launch soon, based on Elon Musk's hints. Modern smartwatches typically range in size from 1.65 inches to 1.82 inches, using AMOLED displays with high resolutions. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla already has expertise in developing ultra-thin entertainment and control screens for its EVs. Creating a watch display 8 times smaller than these screens should not pose a significant challenge for the company. The Tesla Power Watch is expected to feature a 1.8-inch display with a resolution of 450 by 450 pixels. While the Cybertruck employs stainless steel for scratch resistance, the Tesla Power Watch is anticipated to use sapphire glass. Sapphire glass is not only scratch-resistant, but also anti-reflective, making it an ideal choice for a smartwatch. For context, sapphire is nearly as hard as diamond on the Mohs scale, which explains why Apple and other premium companies also incorporate sapphire glass into their devices. The Tesla Power Watch is highly likely to feature a titanium casing with a sturdy design, making it more resistant to strong impacts compared to other watches. We also considered the idea of using stainless steel to enhance the durability of the Tesla Power Watch, but this might increase the watch's weight and make it uncomfortable to wear. Therefore, titanium remains a more suitable choice. In terms of design, Tesla is likely to make the Power Watch stand out because, if you notice, Tesla products are always crafted with eye-catching designs to maintain their distinctiveness. We believe the Tesla Power Watch will feature a signature Tesla design that ensures no one will mistake it for any other watch. One possibility we envision is a design focusing on an integrated LED light strip around the screen's bezel. Since Tesla has access to an immense battery resource and boasts 4,680 as one of the world's leading battery technologies, it wouldn't be surprising if the Tesla Power Watch featured an incredibly impressive energy system. As a prediction, the Tesla Power Watch could have a battery capacity of up to 600 milliamp-hours, combined with a powerful battery type. Of course, it wouldn't use the 4,680 battery, as this is a prismatic battery and cannot be integrated into a watch. Instead, Tesla might opt for LFP pouch cells from KATL, which are sustainable, long-lasting, and notably safe. A 600 milliamp-hour capacity would allow the Tesla Power Watch to operate continuously for a week without needing a recharge. This mirrors Tesla's approach to energy-saving modes in its EVs, which extend battery life when smart features are not in use. Furthermore, Tesla is renowned for its sustainable energy storage solutions like the Powerwall and Solar Roof, so it's conceivable that Tesla could develop a Power Watch variant capable of solar charging. This feature would align perfectly with Tesla's clean energy philosophy. If this becomes a reality, the watch could fully charge within 3 hours under direct sunlight. If Tesla doesn't implement this feature, users would still be able to wirelessly charge the Tesla Power Watch using Qi standard charging, achieving a full charge in 1.5 hours. Every Tesla EV already includes wireless charging capabilities, meaning users could charge their watch while driving. Today, wearing a smartwatch remains popular due to its intelligence and convenience, offering features that complement everyday life. This is why the Apple Watch is widely favored, not just for its fashion appeal but also for its practicality as a smartphone alternative. While the Tesla phone is not yet available on the market, producing the Tesla Power Watch would give users faster and more secure access to Tesla's ecosystem of products, offering a distinct advantage over an Apple Watch. The Tesla Power Watch is sure to feature modern connectivity technologies such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and NFC, enabling seamless connections with smartphones, Tesla vehicles, and other smart devices. Notably, the NFC feature will allow users to unlock Tesla vehicles quickly and securely. We believe that using the Tesla Power Watch will have a significant impact on improving our health. Similar to other smartwatches, the Tesla Power Watch is an advanced wearable device equipped with multiple features for comprehensive health monitoring and tracking. This watch offers continuous heart rate monitoring, detecting abnormalities, and providing timely alerts for issues such as excessively high or low heart rates. With modern sensors, the Tesla Power Watch also supports sleep tracking, recording sleep quality and duration, thereby helping to effectively improve sleeping habits. Moreover, given that the Apple Watch already includes blood oxygen level measurement and body temperature sensors to detect early health issues related to respiration or fever, it seems likely that Tesla Power Watch will not lack these features either. In addition, the Tesla Power Watch will come with physical activity tracking capabilities similar to a regular smartphone but with greater accuracy. For activities such as walking or running, the device will count steps, measure distance traveled, average speed, and calculate calories burned. It will also support a variety of workout routines to enhance fitness tracking. The watch is also capable of detecting stress, suggesting relaxing breathing exercises, and reminding users to move around if they have been sitting for too long. Notably, its fall detection and emergency SOS calling features provide peace of mind in dangerous situations. With a synchronized data system and intelligent analysis, the Tesla Power Watch is highly suitable for sports enthusiasts and those who are mindful of their nutrition. It is anticipated to be a reliable device that aligns with a modern, dynamic lifestyle, offering a range of practical features. Tesla could offer straps with two premium options: high-quality silicone, recycled leather, or a more durable type of strap, catering to the diverse needs of users. Naturally, the Tesla Power Watch is also expected to launch with multiple color options, such as midnight black, solar gold, and forest green, suitable for various styles. As our speculation goes, the Tesla Power Watch is expected to have a starting price of $316 for the basic version and $416 for the premium version, with larger memory capacity and titanium straps. This is a very competitive price since Tesla has ample resources and readily available components to manufacture watches. Almost everything the Tesla Power Watch offers is already familiar to the company through its electric vehicle expertise. Therefore, Tesla only needs to transfer and innovate a few production processes instead of starting from scratch or relying on other component suppliers. Furthermore, to compete with Apple, the price of the Tesla Power Watch would undoubtedly need to be lower than the Apple Watch if Elon Musk aims for success. Currently, the price of the Apple Watch ranges from $399 to $749, depending on the configuration. The launch of the Tesla Power Watch is not just a new step in Tesla's product strategy, but also a testament to the company's ambition to build a comprehensive tech ecosystem. This smartwatch is designed not only to compete with existing devices on the market, but also to redefine how people interact with technology in a new era. If Tesla does indeed launch the Power Watch, what would convince you to choose Tesla over the Apple Watch?
Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.